got myself the GoPro 7. Oh my gosh, what a mix up. I'm not even gonna cut it. Got myself the Amazon Basic large holder for GoPros. It's like 20 bucks. I decided to get it used. It's only 12. Sometimes with Amazon, it still comes new. A lot of people don't try that out, but I do, and I have always came out really good. Let's see what all it's about. I'm also going to do real measurements with a tape measure because the online is junk. All they do is tell you, ooh, like the outside finish. Definitely. A lot stiffer fabric than what I thought it would be. Nothing else in there. So the only thing they tell you online is this measurement. It looks like it's 12 and a half. 12 and a half. I'd probably say 13 if you want to give it some room because this bulges out a little bit. By about 9 and a quarter if you're counting the little bulges, how it bulges out. Looks like it has 2 zippers. Covers up the zipper as it goes around, so that's pretty nice. Handle doesn't feel as good as what I thought it would, but it's in there. I don't think you're really going to overweight it too much. GoPro stuff isn't too heavy. Let's measure thickness for you guys. Yeah, I had a lot of questions about this, but could never find it online. About 2.5 inches. Unzip it. Here we go. How awful is it being used? It's brand new. Brand new. Even comes with this insert, which they don't really show you how nice this is. Look at the pad on the bottom. If you want to keep that in there, it's in there. This fabric doesn't, or this material doesn't last really over 10 years, especially in heat. It starts crumbling into powder. So glad it's not made out of this. This is just the insert. But everything underneath here is that way. Guess it was just a cutout of that. So that's pretty nice because the top is going to be a hard fabric so it doesn't bend too much. This will be a good representation of the size. We got my eyes are going cross-eyed looking at 5 3/4 by 7 1/4 by 1 1/8. Very nice stuff. So, looks like we have 2 spots for batteries. Don't quite know what that is. It doesn't come with instructions either. This is going to hold a few accessories. It doesn't feel like it's deep enough to hold all my accessories, but this is also recessed in there. Up here you can put your wires. It is a net that isn't going to get caught if you put something in there that may cut it. That's pretty good material up there. That's kind of nice. It looks like you got your covers here. I'm probably going to cut that out and put, I guess you can put the battery bank in there. The big charger fits in there perfect. This one holds 2 GoPros perfectly, I guess, with their mount. We're going to try that with my S7 Silver. But I've been talking phones all day. And no, that's my GoPro 7 Silver running a GoPro 8 case on it. Let's take one of these bad boys out. Let's see how easy it is to take one out. That's nice. I didn't have to rip anything to get it out. It definitely fits loose. Now the cases for the 3, I think clear up to the 8 are the same case. I also have a case where you can pop that open. You have a bunch of different cases, but this is with the button right there. That's how you know if it's a real GoPro or not, half the time. The bottom mount isn't GoPro. GoPro ones are junk. I don't know how many times I broke them. Looks like it's got a little bit of a area in case you have a longer one of them. My little screws. Looks like you'd almost access the buttons. Definitely doesn't go in that way. Fits in there a little bit loose, but once this comes down and I get it all packed in there, maybe something will push against it pretty lightly and help it out. The other one pops right out. Gonna try it out. And it fits just as loose. Pretty nice still though. If you can flip that one way and it tighten up. Nah, it's kind of what it is. Take out a battery. Don't think I got any extra batteries laying around. Who's texting me in the background? I'm pretty sure that's for a battery. Maybe not. I'm gonna just push that back in there. And look how nice that is. You could just push it right back in there. If you want to leave your tape measure in there, perfect. So the overall inner dimensions, 12 and a quarter by 8 and an 1/8. Perfect. It's gonna do me good. It's gonna keep them all nice and tight. I don't need that many wires, so I'm probably not gonna use the top part too much, but hopefully this helps somebody out. This is the large one. This difference between the large and the solo is that this one holds 2 and this area is a bit bigger. Thanks for watching. Good night.